Hello students, let's start today's work, mathematics work, chapter whole number, exercise 2.2. Let's dive into the questions. Question number 1 is find the sum by suitable arrangement and 1 plus 2 plus 99 plus 98. So students, here we have to make the arrangement. We have to rearrange these numbers. As you know, addition of whole numbers is always commutative. So we can make pairs here. You can see 1 plus 2 plus 99 plus 98. We have not to add these numbers in a order. In this order we can arrange these numbers, like you can see, if we add 1 in 99 we will get 100. Similarly, if we add 2 and 2 with 98 we will get again 100. So 100 plus 100, 200. So we will arrange in this way. We directly can find the answer. So 1 plus 99 in the first and 2 and 98 in the second. So we have arranged these numbers. We can arrange this way. So 1 plus 99, 100. Similarly, 2 plus 98 makes 100. Now 100 plus 100, 200. Similarly, student, we have to make the arrangement. We have not to add like 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 99, 102. We have not to add like this. Similarly, students, you have to solve this question. So first of all, you have to check by adding one's digits. So where are you getting zeros? So 7 plus 8 makes 15, 5, and 7 plus 3 makes 10. So we will try to add these two numbers where we are getting the zeros in unit place or at tens place. So we will arrange these two numbers together and later we will add 208 in this number. So adding 837 and 363, we first get 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, again 10, carry 1, and this. So first two number makes 1200 plus 208. Now it is very easy to add. So 1200 plus 200, 1400, 1400 and 8. So by arranging in this order, the addition becomes very simpler. Now two other questions, students. These two questions you have to solve yourself. So similarly, you have to make pairs here. So you will try yourself. So where are you getting 0 at units place? So 2 plus 8 makes 10. So you will add these two together. And here also 7 plus 3 makes 10. So you will arrange these two together. Similarly, student, now question number 2. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. So in multiplication also is done, you have to arrange these numbers. So from which two numbers you are getting the maximum number of zeros at the end, in that way you have to multiply. So if we solve this question, 2 multiply 45, 45 multiply 50. So you can see, student, if we arrange 2 and 50 together, so it makes 52 is 100. So it will become more simpler, more easy. So 2 multiply 50 makes 100 and 100 multiply 45. Now student, it has become easy because 45 ones are 45, we directly can write 45 ones are 45 and these two zeros together. So here you have not to multiply like 100 multiply 45. No, you directly can multiply 45 and 1 and put these two zeros in the end of the product. So similarly is done in question number B. First you can arrange 4 and 25 together, because 4 5 are 20, you are getting zeros to the end of the number, and then you can multiply by 166. So 4 multiply 25, you are getting 100 and multiply 166. So 166 1 is 166 and two zeros at the end of the product. So by the same manner, student, you have to solve these questions yourself. Now come to the question number 3. Find the values of the following. So here also I will tell you a few and you will solve the remaining yourself. So the first question here is done. 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. So here is done. We have two terms, first term, second term. Here you have not to multiply these two numbers, you have not to multiply these two numbers. You directly you have to check. Here actually it is multiplication and addition, both are given to you. So first you have to check which number is common in both the numbers. So you can see 297, 297. It is included in both the terms. So 297. Now make a bracket, and what is remaining from the first? 297 has been taken out, 297 has been taken out. So what is remaining from the first? 17 is remaining from the first. What is remaining from the second? Plus sign you will use here. And what is remaining from the second? 3. Again, now solve the bracket first. In the bracket 17 plus 3, it becomes 20. Now 297 multiply 2. So we can multiply 297 multiply 2. So 2 7 is 14, carry 1, 2 9 is 18 plus 1, 19, carry 1 again, 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So 5, 9, 4 and multiply, and 0 at the end. Similarly, student, you can solve. Let's do one more question, taking question number C. 81265 multiply 169 minus 81265 multiply 69. So here, student, also you can see we have two terms. In both the terms this number is common, this number is included in both the terms, so taking it as common and writing the remaining in the bracket. So 169 is remaining from the first term, negative sign also, and 69 from the second term. So whatever we get from the bracket will be multiplied with this number. So 81265 multiply this. So what is the solution of the bracket? So you will subtract 169 minus 69, so you get 100. So the solution of the bracket is 100. And again is done. 81,265 1 it will not change the value because 1 is multiplicative. In multiplicative identity it does not change the value, so 20 at the end. So this is the solution of given question. Similarly, student, you have to do yourself B and D by the same way. You have to do these two questions yourself. Now student, question number 4. Find the product by suitable properties. So the property that we will use, distributive property. One of the number we have to break one of the numbers. So the number which is near to the 100, like 103 is more closer to 100. Similarly here 102 is more closer to 100. 1008, this number is more closer to 1000. Here 1005 is more closer to 1000. So we have to break into two parts. We have to break these numbers into two parts and then we will multiply. We will find the product. We will not multiply them as we do the multiplication. So first question is 738 into 103. So student, we have to break apart only one of the number which is more closer to 100. So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Now using distributive property. Now using distributive property. So distributive property means the number that is just outside of the bracket will be multiplied. So 738 first will be multiplied with 100, again using plus sign, and again 738 will be multiplied with 3. Now 738 into 100. 738 1 just 738 and 2 zeros, and here we have to multiply it. 3 8 are 24, carry 2, 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, 3 7 is 21 plus 1 22. Now student, we have to add these two numbers, so we can add 73800 plus 2214. Adding these two numbers, we get the solution. Similarly student, you can do these questions also. So you have to break this number into two parts. So this can be written as 258 into 1000 plus 8 and then solve it. Similarly, 854 into 100 plus 2. Similarly, here you can write this question as 168 into 1000 plus 5. So this number can be written as 1000 plus 5 and then you will solve it. So student, solve all these questions now yourself. Thank you.